Okay, kailangan na magmadali ni Romel Santos. May nagsabi. 11 seconds.
O, teka, yun lang. Wow. Medyo na-excite doon si Pisok. Ang layo, that stopped about a foot further than he wanted it.
Lampas dalawang ruler.
Oo.
So he will have to improvise his travel plans for the rest of the rack.
He can actually go for a 4-9 carom. Kaya lang, behind the back ito. 4-9 combination nga ba ito?
Feeling
Ayun,
good! Feeling
4-9.
good!
Yes,
And he
sir!
got it! Romel Santos taking advantage of all the luck he got